My 79-year-old mom is currently in the ICU battling COVID-19. I am on day 9 of quarantine in her home. 9 days ago would be the last time I saw her, having taken her to the emergency room for breathing problems. My name is Maya Trotz, and I'm a civil and environmental engineering professor at the University of South Florida. Exactly 53 weeks ago, I pivoted to work online, like many of you, I'm sure. I redesigned a class project to look at COVID 19 and intersections with environmental engineering. We were learning together about how to reduce our exposure to the virus at a time when hospitals were at capacity, when we knew little about the virus, and when we had little remedies for reducing fatalities. I attended many different webinars and closely followed the work of persons who researched air quality, like Dr. Kimberly Prather, who presents later in our workshop. Their battle to amplify that COVID 19 spreads by particles when we breathe, both large and small, was not lost on me. Along with a colleague, Dr. Colleen Naughton, who also presents later in our workshop, we co hosted an NSF workshop converging COVID 19, environment, health, and equity. We brought together different subdisciplines of environmental engineering and asked all 24 panelists two questions: how they addressed equity in their work, and how to make our work more convergent. Interdisciplinary collaboration and community engagement were emphasized in the answers, and it was clear that addressing equity required a lot more work, in particular, to look at the systemic biases and how to challenge them in our field and in our infrastructures. It was also clear that we would benefit tremendously from working with others outside of environmental engineering. So I am excited and I am honored to co-host this NSF Predictive Intelligence for Pandemic Prevention Human Workshop, along with colleagues Jamie Jones, Vivek Singh, and Juliet Iwulmore. Again, welcome to humanpipp, centering people in predictive intelligence for pandemic prevention.